Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this piece of wood that I got at Dollar Tree. It is 7.5 by 5.5 inches, and I am going to paint the sides and the back all with black acrylic paint. Once I have the sides and the back all painted, I am going to take some white acrylic paint and paint the front. And I'm just going to do a quick coat because I'm going to cover over this. I just wanted it so that you wouldn't be able to see the wood through it. Once I have that all painted, I am going to take this honeycomb burlap that I got from Dollar Tree, and I cut a square of it to fit my wood. And so I'm just making sure that it fits, and now I'm going to put on a nice thick coat of Mod Podge. Once I have that all on, I'm going to lay my burlap on there, make sure that it's even, and just press that down with my hands. Making sure that it's stuck well. Any spots that needed more Mod Podge, you can add it then. Once it was all dry, I'm just going to flip it over and just take my scissors and trim off any excess that I happen to have. So just give it a quick trim. Make sure that all that excess is cut off because this will stand on its own. So I just want to make sure that the burlap isn't going to get in the way of that. Once I had that all trimmed, I'm going to take this bee cutout that I got at Hobby Lobby. It was $1.49 and then it was 40% off. I am going to take some black paint and paint its head, antennas, and every other stripe on his body is going to be black. So I'm just going to do his whole face and his antennas and then start those stripes. And I grabbed a smaller paintbrush to do the stripes because I wanted to go in between the ones that were raised with the black. I'm just going to do every other one black. Once that was all done, I'm going to take some yellow paint, and I matched the yellow to match the honeycomb on the burlap that I just put on that wood. And I'm just going to paint every other stripe with this yellow color, and I'm just using acrylic paint for all of this. Once I have all the yellow painted, I'm just going to take some white acrylic paint and paint the wings. Once everything was painted and it's all dry, I am going to take some hot glue and I'm going to glue our bee to the board. So just making sure that it would stand on its own. And I'm just going to take some hot glue right on the back of him, and then I'm going to lay that down right at the bottom right-hand corner of this wood. I'm going to make sure that it's held well because some of it is raised up, so I want to make sure that it was going to be held well. Once I had it all on there, I had these little Scrabble letters that I had gotten at Dollar Tree, and I spelled out the word buzz. And I'm just going to hot glue those right into place. So I'm just going to put them in the corner up there. And as you can see, I'm going to kind of stagger them and make sure that they're even. I got a little hot glue on my finger there. And then that one's going to go up, and then the other Z is going to go down. So I just kind of staggered them a little bit. They don't have to be perfect because I kind of wanted it to be wonky. Once I had the buzz on there, I took some bee ribbons and made it like a little bow tie, and I'm going to add that right to the neck of the bee for the final touch. I think this project turned out so super cute. I absolutely love it, and I am totally loving all the bee-themed things I'm seeing everywhere. As you can see, I went around the wings with some black acrylic paint and put in some dashes. I just thought they needed something else. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.